So to be very honest, it was a direction.
Okay.
I was scattered. Like
Right.
ये भी पढ़ना है, ये भी पढ़ना है, वो भी पढ़ना है. When like I got you as a mentor, to be very honest, I was direction. Like मुझे क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. वो जो notes आपने दिए थे, like it is a golden thing for me. मैं आज भी उसको पढ़ूंगी.
Okay.
आगे भी मुझे कभी एग्जाम देना होगा, मैं उसी को पढ़ के जाऊंगी.
Right.
तो the notes were so good. Like एक चीज पे नहीं, आपको कभी गिल्ट महसूस नहीं होगा कि मैंने तो सिर्फ फार्माकोलॉजी पढ़ के ही छोड़ दिया. तो वो आप चारों ओर से चीजें पढ़ रहे हो तो आपके माइंड को भी एक सेशिएशन होता है कि हाँ चलो मैंने पढ़ा है, सब कुछ पढ़ा है. So I got directed when you were my mentor. So I thank you for that.
Hey guys, क्या हालचाल. नया दिन नई शुरुआत. In today's podcast, I have a very inspirational student with me. A person who has faced lot of hardships, lot of struggles in her life, and today she has finally conquered the NIPER JEE 2025 with significant ranks in MS as well as MTech. So her name is Nisha and she is from Siliguri. So firstly, Nisha, congratulations for bouncing back from these situations and getting a good rank.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. I'm obliged that I'm here with you in this podcast today. I'm very thankful for that.
Absolutely. So firstly, I would like to know about you, that who is Nisha and what did she want to pursue in the beginning and how did she land up in pharmacy? Can you give us some
Sir,
history?
everybody, we hear from everybody that we do not choose pharmacy by choice,
Correct.
but it's always like a second option or a third option. It's never a first choice.
Correct.
So I was not different from others. I was the same. It was not a choice for me. It was like a circumstantial thing which happened with me.
Correct.
Initially, I was preparing for NEET exam like everybody does after PCMB. So I prepared for it. I took a drop. I went to Udaipur in my drop, like the dropping years. I went there in the resonance and I did all my preparations and all, but I couldn't make it. I made it through dentist, but I couldn't make it to MBBS. So after my result, I applied it in for Russia. So I got an university which is a recognized one in India. So in Orenburg State Medical University, Russia. So, sir, there, what happened that I did MBBS for 2 years. And in 2019, the COVID surge was there. So the situation was very difficult there, the economic crisis and everything. So due to that reason, I had to leave Russia. And it was a turning point in my life. My mind was not ready to accept that, okay, I have to move out from MBBS. So I had to do something. I cannot give up on myself. I had to do something for my parents because they did a lot for me, for myself. So I chose pharmacy. By like people were saying that you have learned a lot in medical field, so you should use this knowledge. You should not let go. So I went to this medicine field, the pharmacy one, and when I joined the university in Bhopal, that is LNCT University, and there I got a boost up when I was performing well. So when you perform well, you get the boost that okay, this is the field. Maybe God has some other plan for you.
Absolutely.
So I had this thing that okay, if I couldn't do there, I'll do it here. I'll make my best. So I did everything, and a few days ago I got my result. I secured first rank. I am the gold medalist of 2025. And today I came home from my from the University of Bhopal, and I'm happy. Today I got the result of NEET J. I secured the rank. I'm happy. I'm happy by what I'm getting because I believe that everything is like
Planned.
everything I get is from it is planned. So I'm thankful. I'll not complain. I'll not blame anybody. If I'm doing something good, it's me. If I'm doing something wrong, it's me. And of course, I thank my teachers, you, because at the last moment, the booster course was so much helpful for me. Like my mind was jumbling. I could not I was just working in one direction. Like if I am studying pharmacology, my mind is always working on pharmacology. But whenever I'm studying with you, everything I used to study, like it's analysis, it's cognosy and everything. So that is the most amazing thing. that during the NIPER JEE exam, it helped me a lot because I managed to have 10 minutes spare time.
Okay.
I did it so fast that I used to always get 10 minutes extra so that I can go through all the questions again. So that was a plus point, sir.
Absolutely. And also to the audience who are watching this podcast, let me tell you one thing about Nisha. I had visited their college in LNCT in Bhopal. Let me tell you, she is one of the very zealous personnel and very a lady with lot of perseverance in her eyes. When I met her, when I spoke to her, I had a session in their college, and the way she kept answering to the questions that I asked, and she had something that हाँ कुछ कर दिखाना, I have to do something. So really hats off to you for that jazba, for that kind of dedication in life after facing so much of hardship. मतलब if I would have been in your place, I would be so disheartened, almost depressed कि 2 साल MBBS में I have spent and then such a kind of tragedy happening. But still you came up over it. You took responsibility of yourself as well as your family, did your B Farm with a gold medal. That's even a greater news. I just came to know about the gold medal, so that's even icing on the cake. And now finally, probably you'll land up in one of the top national institutes of pharma. In fact, we can say the best institute of India in India of the pharma, and that is NIPER. So, firstly, congratulations for that. Now,
Thank you so much, sir.
yeah, Nisha, let's start about your pharma journey. Okay, so when did you think that it's the right time to prepare for NIPER and GPAT? When was that click? Okay, yeah, अब सही time है that I have to start preparing.
So precisely, if I say, it was the fourth semester.
Fourth semester.
When I was in fourth semester, I got to know because one of my teacher in my university itself, he's from Mohali. He did MTech from chemistry, pharmaceutical chemistry. So he was one of the biggest inspiration. And last but not the least, our director. He was so supportive to our, like, he was very supportive to everyone, each and every student, whoever want to achieve something, he used to always help them. So he left no stone unturned for us. He gave all the things whichever is needed for a GPAT aspirant. Like relaxation in attendance or being like availability of classes. And also I was studying from another institution also. So from there also teachers were very helpful. He used to come in our college and he used to take classes of 2 hours. So that was the thing first when I came to know about NIPER. Okay, this is something called NIPER. तो उसी दिन से मैंने सोच लिया था कि यही बेस्ट है, मतलब फार्मा में ये सबसे बेस्ट है, तो यही करना है.
So अब फिर सोच लिया था कि नाइपर ही जाना है after all of this.
Yes, sir.
बढ़िया. अब can I have a glimpse of a day in a life of Nisha? When she used to wake up, how she used to manage her semester, as well as her studies, as well as her hostel. If I'm not wrong, you used to stay in hostel, right?
No, sir. I was living alone in a room.
Okay, you were living all by yourself. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so family se bhi dur. So how did you manage all of this? Can you just tell our audience about it?
Sir, everybody has a different journey, of course. For me, I can study properly when I'm away from home, away from my comfort zone.
Correct.
Because when I'm alone, I can know myself better. Like nobody there is to console me. Nobody is there is to tell me what should I do and what should I not.
Correct.
So it is like मैं खुद गिरती थी और मैं खुद उठती थी.
That's great. खुद की responsibility खुद ही ले रखी थी.
खुद ही. Like after my like when I left Russia, I promised God that God, from today I'll not blame you for anything, even for like bad thing. If even something bad happens, I'll not blame you. So I stopped blaming anybody, like be it teachers, be it the college attendance issue. I stopped blaming anybody. I worked upon myself because it is like this कि मैं नहीं करूँगी तो कोई और तो जरूरी कर लेगा.
बिल्कुल.
So my routine was like, I am not a early waker, sir. Okay. I used to study at night much. Okay. So जब college रहता था तो 7:30 बजे उठ जाना पड़ता था. And I used to make my own food because I am a yoga practitioner also. So okay. I believe in like a subtle food, a simple food. कुछ simple खाने को मिल जाए, that is better than oily and something spicy. So I used to make my own breakfast. I used to make my own lunch and then pack it, and then I used to go to college. कॉलेज से 4 बजे छूटना, 4:30 तक घर आ जाना, फिर 6 बजे से मेरी इंस्टीट्यूशन की क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो जाती थी।
Okay.
सो फ्रॉम 6 to 8 आई वाज पैक्ड, एंड अगेन यूट्यूब पे भी मुझे लाइव मतलब देखना पड़ता था, तो
अच्छा.
उसमें भी 10 बजे तक तो पूरी पढ़ाई ही चलती थी।
Correct.
तो खाना फिर आई यूज्ड टू मैनेज बिटवीन 8:30 बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू बिलीव कि जल्दी खाओ तो वही GERD नहीं होगा।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तो जल्दी खा लेना, वो मैनेज कर करके करना पड़ता था। सो आई यूज्ड टू स्टडी दैट वे सर, एंड आई यूज्ड टू स्टडी लेट नाइट।
सो अब निशा ये तो हो गई आपकी पढ़ाई की बात है. जब व्हेन यू आर इन द प्रोसेस, व्हेन यू आर इन द जर्नी, डेफिनेटली देयर वुड हैव बीन सम मोमेंट्स व्हेन यू वुड बी फीलिंग दैट आई एम वेरी सैचुरेटेड विद माई स्टडीज, बहुत डीमोटिवेशन आ रहा है, और देयर वुड बी अप्स एंड डाउन्स फॉर श्योर. सो हाउ यू यूज टू डील विद इट? आप कैसे उसको ओवरकम करती थी, एंड हाउ यू यूज टू टैकल दोज डिस्ट्रैक्शंस एंड योर दीज काइंड्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स?
सो आई वाज नेवर अ वेरी स्टूडियस स्टूडेंट, मतलब हमेशा पढ़ाई पढ़ाई मेरे से भी नहीं हो पाती।
Correct.
तो आई यूज्ड टू प्ले सॉन्ग्स कैरियोके। आई एम अ गुड, आई सिंग वेल, I am a dancer too, but like I like to sing, which gives me, which refreshen me. So I used to sing. I used to play some karaoke and then play and then I sing. So I used to feel good. Within 5 minutes, I was rejuvenated. I used to feel good, and then I used to get back to studies.
Okay. And besides this, let me tell the audience, she's also a good cook. She had bought
Yeah.
something for me when I was there in the university, and it was very very tasty. Some Bengali.
Yeah,
I
it was
forgot.
Nolen Guder Paesh.
Yeah.
That was a kheer.
Okay, I forgot the name. It was a very good kheer. I tasted it and मैंने बहुत खाया था. वो 2 बाउल भर के खाया था. So it was really good.
Yes.
Okay, Nisha. So coming over to your journey. So this was how you prepared. This was how your entire journey was. Now, if I talk about best pharmacy tips and tricks. So did this organization, or did Payam sir have any particular role in your journey, like right from the, because you were also in the batch, enrolled in the batch. So what help could we do of yours? Any help we could bring to the table for you?
So to be very honest, it was a direction.
Okay.
I was scattered. Like
Right.
ये भी पढ़ना है, ये भी पढ़ना है, वो भी पढ़ना है.
Correct.
When like I got you as a mentor, to be very honest, I was directioned. Like
Okay.
मुझे क्या करना है, कैसे करना है.
Correct.
वो जो नोट्स आपने दिए थे,
हाँ.
like it is a golden thing for me. मैं आज भी उसको पढ़ूंगी.
Okay.
आगे भी मुझे कभी एग्जाम देना होगा, मैं उसी को पढ़ के जाऊंगी.
Right.
तो the notes were so good. Like एक चीज पे नहीं है, आपको कभी गिल्ट महसूस नहीं होगा कि मैंने तो सिर्फ फार्माकोलॉजी पढ़ के ही छोड़ दिया. तो वो आप चारों ओर से चीजें पढ़ रहे हो, तो आपके माइंड को भी एक सेशिएशन होता है कि हाँ चलो मैंने पढ़ा है, सब कुछ पढ़ा है.
बिल्कुल.
So I got directed when you were my mentor. So I thank you for that, sir.
That's great. Good to hear. And let me tell the audience that she's such a obedient and disciplined student. मतलब चाहे वो YouTube live हो, चाहे वो lecture हो, she used to be there. Besides cooking her own food, having so many household chores in her life, besides having so many problems, so many things, thoughts, or staying all by herself, still she managed everything. So lots and lots of inspirational source for all of students. Lastly, Nisha, since you are like a guru to our upcoming aspirants, our budding GPAT and Niperians, so any message, any guru mantra from your side, any feedback that you would like to give to them?
So my only thing will be which changed my thing. जैसे मैं डायरेक्ट हुई, सर, द टू बी कंसिस्टेंट इज द की. सर, आप मैटर नहीं करता कि आप कितने इंटेलिजेंट हो, क्योंकि बहुत सारे ऐसे इंटेलिजेंट लोग भी फेल हो जाते हैं इफ दे आर नॉट कंसिस्टेंट. एंड अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलो. चाहे वो खुद से खाना बनाना हो, खुद के कपड़े खुद धोने हो, या खुद के काम खुद करना हो. सुबह आपको कोई नहीं उठाने वाला, सुबह रात को आपको कोई नहीं बोलने वाला कि आप सो जाओ. So you have to keep a check and keep alarms in your phone. That is most important. I used to keep alarms कि मुझे इस टाइम पे खाना है, मुझे इस टाइम पे उठना है.
Okay.
So it is a habit. Consistency, it's a habit. It's not something जो आप खुद को force करवा रहे हो. वो आपको अपने living में ही डालना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल. So reminders देते रहना है खुद को बार-बार, अलार्म लगा
Yes,
के.
yes. हाँ सर, and automatically after some time वो आपको normal life लगने लगेगा.
बिल्कुल. it becomes a habit, it becomes like a practice for you.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Absolutely. So that was Nisha with me in today's podcast. I had specially invited her because she is a inspiration, a motivation, a source of encouragement for a lot of students. So thank you so much, Nisha, for sparing out time and joining in for today's podcast. Wishing you good luck and lots of success for you. See you in
Thank you, sir.
Naiper on 20th July for sure. Once again, I'll be there.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
Chalo,
sir.
all the
Thank you
best.
so much, sir.
Yeah, have a good
Thank
day.
you. Have a good day, sir.